Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of changing the default download location in Google Chrome. By default, when you download a file from Chrome, it is saved in the Downloads folder on your computer. However, if you want to save files to a different folder, follow these simple steps. First, open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click on the three-dot menu, then select Settings. From the left-hand menu, choose Downloads. Here, you will see the Location section, which shows the current folder where downloaded files are saved. Click Change, then select your preferred folder on your computer. For example, if you frequently download work documents, you can choose a dedicated folder on your D drive for easier access. Additionally, if you want Chrome to ask where to save each file before downloading, enable the option Ask where to save each file before downloading. When this feature is turned on, Chrome will prompt you to choose a location every time you download a file, instead of automatically saving it to a default folder. Once you've completed these steps, try downloading a file to test it. If the file is saved in the folder you selected, you've successfully changed the download location in Chrome. That's it. Now you have better control over where your downloaded files are stored in your browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.